Hey there, are you struggling to get sales? Frustrated of seeing low conversions? Are you so fed up you wish there's an easy way to sell your products? If you've answered yes to all these, you might want to reconsider how you've been selling your offer. How would you like to know how to skyrocket your sales, boost your conversions, and pull in leads with hypnotic video messages? That's what this video presentation is all about, and in just a few minutes from now, you too will crack the code. You will discover a systematic approach to doubling or even tripling your conversions, often with just simple tweaks and changes. And you won't necessarily need amazing video making or editing skills to make that happen. You may have seen and studied the best-selling products on marketplaces like ClickBank and JVZoo. The top-selling products that gross high 6 and 7 figures usually feature nothing more than a sales video or a hybrid of video and sales page like the one you're seeing right now. Despite the differences all these video sales letters have, more often they follow a pattern, a formula, a set of rules, one that when obeyed will produce stellar results, or break them at the risk of seeing mediocre sales. You can have the best product in the world, but it won't matter much if you're not able to sell it. And no amount of fancy video editing or fun facts can replace a solid presentation that is designed to sell. While I'm at it, it's also worth mentioning that last I checked, more than 80% of the top 10 bestsellers in each category on ClickBank use the video sales letter or VSL approach. That's saying something about the importance of using video as a major tool in your sales pitch. I'm not suggesting that written sales copies are a relic of the past, but if you want a surefire way to engage your potential customers, set yourself apart from your competitors who are not doing it, and dominate the marketplace instead of just surviving, you owe it to yourself to listen to every word I say. This is the make or break. Convert your traffic or drive them away from your site. With your permission, I'd like to announce Sales Video Formula 2.0. This is the culmination of my efforts after researching hundreds of high-converting VSLs across multiple hot niches. From self-help and business to health, dating, forex, investing, I found that despite being in various fields, all the top-performing sales videos follow a specific formula. And you are about to discover the same exact step-by-step secrets to churn out your own VSL that's going to suck in sales like a vacuum on steroids. Here's just a teaser of what you'll learn. The winning video sales letter layout. There's a psychological reason why most, if not all, of the top-selling products on marketplaces like ClickBank and JVZoo are set up in this way, but you might not realize them. You will be shown how a winning VSL layout looks like, so you can follow and prep your site for some hardcore sales. The sales video formula. The core component of my video training and exactly why I named the entire course so. I give you the formula on how to create your own VSL masterpiece, and after this you'll be churning them out like gangbusters for epic results. This is the same formula as used by most of the best-selling products' sales videos across several niches. I also give you a collection of surprisingly simple VSL hacking tips to drastically boost your conversions. Yes, the devil is in the details, and I show you how to make easy tweaks that can double or triple your sales with no extra traffic or visitors. Let's say you're getting an average of 2% conversion rates for your offer, which means every 2 in 100 visitors purchase your product. With simple tweaks, even if you boost your conversion rate to 4%, that's already double the customers you get for the same amount of visitors. A minor tweak can make a staggering difference in the long run. So imagine how many people out there have surrendered to mediocrity, which is a waste considering they're only a few tweaks away from optimizing their sales count. That brings us to the next part. I show you how to split test your VSL. That's right. Most people don't know how to use a split test tool, and fewer find it essential to even use it in the first place. I show you how to expertly use split test campaigns and discover your winning VSLs. And to answer the ultimate question, pure VSL versus hybrid VSL versus pure copy. You have seen these around. Quite simply, there are generally 3 types of sales pages out there, and you might be wondering which type of copy is the best and most ideal. The market varies, so I list out the pros and cons, and you can make a fully informed decision in your VSL plan. At this point, I have reason to believe you can see how much of a time saver and moneymaker this is. I have gone through tons of trial and error to discover the formula to high converting sales videos and spent countless nights doing my own independent research. You might be also aware that marketing experts charge to the tune of thousands of dollars to teach sales in their workshops and seminars. Although I have yet to come across any that teach specifically on VSL creation, which is the future of selling on the web. To cut to the chase, the good news is I have no intention of charging a seminar fee. It won't be anything quite like that. Click on the button below to secure your instant digital access now. If you're still thinking whether you should get it or not, you don't have to say yes. Just a maybe will do. Get into this training program today and check it out risk-free for the next 30 days. I'm willing to shoulder the risk of your investment because I know this delivers. A small tweak in your VSL will more than cover your purchase, and you'll go from good to great. If you tried it out and it's nothing quite like what I share in my training program, contact me and I will process your refund in full. Every cent of it. You have nothing to lose. Act now.